Hi. So here I am. I'm walking into town again. I'll stop and show you the surface. Okay. But yeah, the last video I had mentioned that my commute changes all the time. So for the majority of the year, I can walk from my house straight down the beach, and I can make my way into town. However, today is going to be a little more challenging. As the rain comes through the year, it comes down through that valley right there, and it creates, well, there's always an estuary there. But then right about this time of year, the estuary connects to the ocean. And oftentimes it is just way too deep to walk across. So let's go see what my options are. Usually at this time of year, that boat there is put into the water, and then there's some rope that they put across the water, and people can get a ride for 10 córdobas from one side to the other. That is when the water is very high. But I see that the boat has not been put in the water yet. So I am going to have to take off my shoes and walk across, it looks like. So I think I'm going right straight across there because it looks the shallowest. I have to time this correctly because if you can see here, it's high tide and the cliff is too high on the other side. So I'm going to have to walk. I'm going to have to walk when there is no wave coming in like that. But I can see there's a set of waves coming in. Okay, and I really don't want to get too wet. Like, I'm not sure how good I'm going to do with this. Kind of feeling very vulnerable here. Okay, after this set of waves, I'm going to go across. Okay, it's up to my knees. Okay, getting shallower again. Look at that. I made it. ¿Puedo pasar? Y no, José. Ok, José. Vamos. Soy YouTuber. ¿Puedo? ¿Cuánto vale, José?
10 córdobas.
¿Y cómo se llama el cocodrilo que está aquí? Paco. Ok, gracias.